Hello, welcome. My name is Knox, and I'm gonna walk you guys through the data modeling, understanding custom and standard object challenge. And this is one of the first challenges in the data modeling module. There's a total of 3: understanding custom and standard objects, create object relationships, work with schema builder, which I would walk these other 2 right after this video. So, the scenario: build a custom offer object. When a home buyer makes an offer to buy a property, the brokers at Dreamhouse Reality need to track the details in Salesforce. Create a custom object they can use to record the offer amount and target close date for the sale. Use auto numbering to generate the name of each offered record. So we're going to create a custom object with 2 custom fields. So we're going to go ahead and launch your playgrounds. So I have mine already launched. So wherever it's at, you're going to navigate to the gear icon, which is set up for the current application. And you see this handy tab, Object Manager. Go ahead and open that up. We're going to create a custom object. For the trailheads or modules, I like to just copy and paste just to make sure that I'm getting exactly what I need. Plural. Okay. So we know that the object name is author. We know that the record name is going to be offer name, right? So I'm just going to copy. Which record name is already there, so that's good. Make sure we don't need anything else. We're going to change the data type. So if you see right here, enter record name and label and format. We're going to change this to auto number. Once again, you could just copy and paste this. So go ahead and copy and paste. Starting number 1. Optional features, if you don't know what this is, you can also walk this through, but I'm going to go ahead and allow this just in case. Allow search. We're going to launch a new custom tab. Save. And we're going to choose anything you want. Choose anything you want. I'm going to choose this camera. Description, don't need to put anything. We're just choosing a tab so we can be able to search it here. And we're going to make it visible for everybody. We don't need to restrict it. Awesome. So you created your first custom object. Or if it could be your second, your third. So on the left panel, we have fields and relationships. We're going to navigate to the second part, which is create a custom currency field on the offer object. So once again, I'm going to copy the label. So currency, we're going to look for the data type, currency. Scroll all the way down to next. Put it here. Verifying that we don't need to change anything else on this field or on these settings. Everything is auto-filling. We don't need no help text. Click next. Click next. We're not going to change any page layouts or security. Awesome. So now we need one more field. We need to create a date field. Once again, I'm going to copy the label. Click new. And there's date and time. We're looking for date. Okay, copy. This is going to autofill the API. We don't need no description. We don't need no help text. We might need a requirement. Let's verify real quick. We don't need a requirement. Awesome. Okay, click next. Once again, we don't need to do any field level security or page layouts. Awesome. So we have created a custom object, offer. We have created the offer amount and the target close date. And the cool thing is we can go and check. We can go play around with it. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. Click new. And we could just say 50,000. Target close date, the 13th. And voila. And let's verify. And there we go. Congratulations. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or any other badges I should go over. I just want to make it as quick and simple. And I can also go over topics as well. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.